Hello, I'm gonna show you how to download Screen Recorder no root. Okay, let's do it. First, press Play Store. Screen Recorder, it works in Android or iPhone, iOS. Let's wait. Okay, it's time. You see this? Wait, you see this Smart Pixel screen recorder? Type that. There. Smart Pixel recorder. This is that a recorder. Now let's press. It's too lag, sorry. But this is works too. Now you see now. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube and like it. Thank you.